Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at a vital piece of the puzzle when dealing with digital forensics, and that is evidence integrity. We are having a look at the .XRY file and showing you how secure this file format is. So if we have a look at a previous extraction here, and we open the case file and examine, we have some options to check the validity of that file. We can use examine to validate the file. We're also aware that if the file had become corrupt, it just would not open in examine, similar to how the accepted format in computer forensics of EO1 is. So we pop along to data sources, we select the extraction, and we simply right-click to check the file integrity. This will come back finished, and the file is verified. So what happens if we transfer that file across our server or transfer it to removable media and dropped packets occur or dropped bits, for example, and the file changes? We need a way to validate it. So let's drop that extraction into HXD and just remove a byte. So we're simply going to remove the first byte of the file, save the new format without the missing byte, and then we're going to reattempt to open that extraction. So the file is now saved, and we're going to attempt to open that extraction. And you can see Examine has now warned us that the file is an unknown file format, so it will not open. Once we were to put that byte back in, the validation would take place, and we could see that no changes had taken place to the XRY file format. We hope that you can see the benefit of using a .xry file format and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.